high. Okay, next type. Types of cutting tool material. Most ancient type cutting tool material is HSS, that is high speed steel. High speed steel. It is developed in the year of 1905. Okay, nowadays at that time it is a revolutionary. At that time it is a very most biggest invention in manufacturing unit, because HSS is very at that time common cutting tool material which have cut all types of material in 1905 after industrial revolution. Okay, however, HSS cutting tool material is the HSS cutting tool material was overperformed by many other cutting tool materials which have invented after HSS. So importance of HSS is very high. Okay, now first one is HSS. We have already discussed. Okay, then first of all we discussed HSS. Okay, after that we will go for the what are the composition of HSS. It is the most common type of questions asked in many competitive exams and many our course exams. Okay, that is markout exam. Okay, HSS composed of W, CR, V. It is the main composition. Okay, the short form of HSS is written as 1841. In competitive exam, ask that what is the name of the cutting tool material which is coded by 1841. Okay, that means 18% is tungsten, W means tungsten, 4% is chromium, and 1% is vanadium. Okay, and 0.7% is carbon. It is not mentioned in our competitive exam in coding. In coding, 1841 means HSS. That means 18% tungsten, 4% chromium, 1% vanadium. Carbon is given 7% uh, to increase the hardness. Okay, if we increase the carbon percentage, then the hardness is also increased. The rest percentage is iron. Okay, rest percent is iron. Okay, now HSS tool could machined the milestone MS uh, at the speed of 20 to 30 meter per minute. This is the standard value. When we cutting mild steel material with the help of HSS tool, then standard cutting speed is 20 to 30 meter per minute. It is also dry cutting. Dry cutting. If we use coolant, okay, wet cutting or coolant, then the MS rod is cut by the SS tool up to 45 meter per minute. In dry cutting, if we increase to more than 30 meter per minute speed, there is a chances of heat generation, high amount of heat generation. So that in dry cutting, the speed is always lower than the wet cutting. Wet cutting, because coolant, if we use coolant, the purpose of the coolant is to carry away the heat from the contacting surface of the tool and job material. Okay, so that if we used coolant, then the speed we cut HSS tool cut MS material at for 45 meter per minute. Okay, this is the basic type of information given in the short summary of the HSS tool. Okay, next, our our next cutting tool material is stellite. Stellite. This is very tough cutting tool material and resist heat and wear. This is our main property of the stellite material. This is very tough and resist heat and wear resistance. Okay, material. Now nowadays it is almost obsolete. It is not used in our manufacturing unit because there are so many material cutting tool material is developed which have the properties is high toughness, high resistance power, heat resistance, and wear resistance power. That is why stellite is not used nowadays. Okay, the percentage of the stellite is the composition of the stellite is basically stellite is a cast alloy material. Okay, the percentage is cobalt, composition is cobalt, chromium, tungsten, carbon. Cobalt is 40 to 50%,